So welcome back to Steaming Saturday with John. Had a good day so far around my Cyldon 13.5. Very nice. So now I'm going to have a go with the 13.2. These are unusual because of the way the valve gear works. So I've done nothing. I've done nothing with the safety valve or the whistle. We all know what that means. But I like to reinvent the wheel. It's good to have something to complain about. Okay. Chimney is held on with a little spring clip, which is much nicer than having the screw down the middle. Right, we're tightened, we're watered, we can need to oil obviously. This has a hole for putting steam oil in, sealed with a bolt. I really must buy some BA spanners. So whenever I look, I think I'm not paying that. I'm not going to get any cheaper. Okay, well let's go steam oil. You get the odd discussion on the forum about what type of steam oil to use. I don't get any choice because there's no one I can buy it from in Portugal. And shipping liquids from one country to another is a pain in the rear end. If at all possible, it's bloody expensive. So I just stick with the Middlesex steam oil I've got. Though Mr. Mama did give me a nice pot of oil as well. There are obviously different types of steam oil. And if you go onto the manufacturer's websites, you can find out what their characteristics are and which ones are suitable for model engines such as this. Okay, 3-wick burner. And a typical bit of Cyldon engineering. Okay, lubricate the moving parts. So I've done absolutely nothing with this. It came out of the box, the guy shipped it in, went on the shelf, and now it's on here. So this could of course be a disaster, a resounding success. Advantages. Okay, so there's water coming out of the exhaust pipe of the cylinder and out of the cylinder. So close. There we go, it's picked up. As it heats up, now I understand. You can see the water coming out of the exhaust pipe. It must take the cylinder quite a long time to get hot enough to prevent the water from steam from condensing into water. Work. At least I haven't fired a piston across the ring. Famous last words. It's not a bad runner, is it? Okay, so that was a very successful run of a very stylish and unusual steam engine, and one that I'm very happy to have added to my range. Okay everybody, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye, Cyldon. Goodbye, viewers.